Today, the ruble is retreating against the US dollar. Despite a slight decline in the early trade, the oil is likely to close this week with gains. Traders are currently focused on the upcoming OPEC meeting and ongoing trade talks between the US and China, which have recently come to a standstill again. Both commodity and financial markets pin high hopes on the positive outcome of the trade conflict. Traders did not react to China's emotional response when the US authorities supported protesters in Hong Kong. Market sentiment has slightly worsened amid this news. However, market participants believe that this fact will not put the trade agreement under threat. Judging by macroeconomic data, China should be interested the most in ending the trade war. China's GDP has reached its low over the past decades, whereas the US economy seems stable with the strong dollar and treasuries in high demand. Expectations about progress in trade deal and its positive influence on global economic growth continue to support commodity prices. Oil is likely to finish this week in the positive territory. On Friday, Brent crude is trading at $63.75 a barrel. WTI Intermediate has also extended gains this week. WTI oil has edged up by 0.4% since Monday and by 7% since early November. This may become the fourth consecutive weekly growth for both oil brands. Prospects of the upcoming OPEC meeting next week keep the oil price moderately high. The outcomes of the meeting are widely anticipated. All the parties will try to ensure strict compliance with the current agreement on oil output cuts. Over the past few days, the Russian currency has been trading near the level of 64 against the US dollar. Today is no exception, and the dollar-ruble pair has consolidated at the mark of 64.05. Low volatility in the second part of the week was due to inactive American market and holidays in the US. In the short term, the ruble's dynamics will be mainly determined by the risk appetite towards the currencies of the emerging markets. The dollar-ruble pair is expected to hold firmly near the reached levels. In December, the ruble may ease significantly against the US dollar. Following the results of the November tax period, the Russian currency has failed to strengthen, what may indicate its possible decline in the nearest future. The upcoming meeting of the Bank of Russia may also contribute to the ruble's fall, especially after the Fed has taken a pause in monetary policy easing. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.